I hear the haters talking that bullshit, but I ain't studying that bullshit. I turn to gripping on wood shit and smoking up on this good shit. Steady getting my mind right, steady getting my grind tight. Sucker ducking these lame dudes. Most of these dudes don't grind right. All I need is some more chips. All I need is some more whips. All I need is some more bricks. All I need is some more clips. Them haters plotting and scheming. Like an infrared, I'm beaming. I got a Nina Ross, she singing. You think I'ma stop if they dreaming? I'm thugged out till I'm gone. Off a Kush, blood and Patron. Pass me some work in this song. I'ma do what I want cause I'm grown. With a bucket full of dope, I'm on. So y'all haters can't budge me, can't judge me, can't fuck with me. I get DOE on TG. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm posted up like a stop sign, just out here trying to get mine. I wish a hater would, trying to block mine. I'ma act the fool with this Glock 9. Super high off this push, bro. Faded off of this Grey Goose. 24s when I push, bro. Get your bitch before she get loose. I stay fly like a jet, nigga. Better show me some respect, nigga. Like chess, man, I'ma check niggas. You owe me, cut the check, nigga. What you need, I'm on deck, nigga. Water, weed on deck, nigga. Nose candy on deck, nigga. X pills on deck, nigga. Breaking rules, still paying dues. My son needs some new J's, fool. My bitch needs a new Gucci bag. Been getting money, I ain't gotta brag. Going hard till I'm dead, nigga. Switching lanes, getting head, nigga. Swilky dodging these fed niggas. I need cheese, my bread, nigga. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah.